Have you ever replayed the moment in your head? What they said, how they said it, how everything changed after that. You smiled in public, you acted normal, but inside, something broke. No one sees the weight you carry, the anger, the disappointment, the silent conversations you still have in your mind. Forgiveness feels impossible, but holding on feels heavy. You try to move forward. You pray. You stay busy. You tell yourself you're fine, but the memory follows you. It shows up at night, in quiet rooms, in random moments that should feel peaceful. Maybe it was betrayal, a broken promise, words that cut too deep, trust that was shattered. And now you feel stuck, not because of what happened, but because you can't seem to release it. You want peace, but you also want justice. You want healing, but you also want them to understand your pain. And deep down, you wonder, if I forgive, does that mean what they did was okay? No, it doesn't. Picture this: a dusty road outside Jerusalem, heat rising from the ground, a crowd forming, voices loud, tension thick in the air. A woman is dragged forward, ashamed, exposed, accused. Religious leaders stand confidently. They know the law. They know the punishment. They turn to Jesus and say, "The law says stone her. What do you say?" Stones are already in their hands, judgment already in their eyes. Jesus kneels down. He writes in the dust. No panic, no shouting, just quiet authority. Then he stands and says, "Let any one of you who is without sin be the first to throw a stone at her." Silence. One by one, the stones drop. The older ones leave first, then the younger, until only Jesus and the woman remain. He looks at her, not with condemnation, but with mercy. "Neither do I condemn you. Go and leave your life of sin." Forgiveness did not excuse the wrong, but it restored dignity. It restored identity. It restored hope. In Matthew chapter 6, verse 14, Jesus says, "For if you forgive other people when they sin against you, your heavenly Father will also forgive you." Notice the connection, your forgiveness and your freedom. Forgiveness is not pretending it didn't hurt. It did hurt. Forgiveness is not saying it was fair. It wasn't fair. Forgiveness is not instant trust. Trust can take time. Forgiveness is releasing your right to revenge. It is placing justice in God's hands. Unforgiveness ties you to the moment. Forgiveness cuts the rope. What if your peace is waiting on the other side of release? God forgave you completely, not partially, not conditionally, completely. Forgiveness is a decision before it becomes a feeling. You may not feel ready. You may still feel hurt tomorrow, but every time the memory rises, you can say quietly, "I release this to God," again and again
and again. Your heart was never designed to carry bitterness for years. It was designed for freedom. Say it softly in your spirit. I choose to forgive, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Forgiveness does not rewrite the past, but it rewrites your future. Maybe there is a name in your mind right now, a face, a memory. Bring it before God. Whisper their name in prayer. Lord, I release them to you. You are not weak for forgiving. You are strong. Forgiveness is power. Forgiveness is freedom. Forgiveness is healing. Take a deep breath. Let the weight fall. Peace is closer than you think.